Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the best cordless vacuums on the market, the Dyson V11 Origin cordless vacuum cleaner in nickel/blue. Before we get started, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to grab the Dyson V11 Origin at the best discounted price today. These deals go fast, so make sure you don't miss out. Cyclone emoji. What makes the Dyson V11 Origin so special? The Dyson V11 Origin is engineered for deep cleaning homes of all sizes. It's cordless, lightweight, and packed with Dyson's latest suction tech. You get up to 60 minutes of runtime, intelligent suction adjustments, and a powerful digital motor that spins up to 125,000 RPM. This isn't your average vacuum. Gear emoji. Key features. White check mark emoji. Dyson digital motor V11. Delivers powerful, fade-free suction for carpets, hardwood, tile, and more. White check mark emoji. Intelligent cleaning. The V11 automatically adjusts suction power based on floor type, conserving battery and boosting performance where needed. White check mark emoji. Up to 60 minutes runtime. Plenty of juice for deep cleans in one go, thanks to its advanced battery management system. White check mark emoji. Advanced whole machine filtration. Captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it perfect for allergy sufferers and pet owners. White check mark emoji. Torque drive cleaner head. Digs deep into carpets to remove ground and dirt, while still being gentle on hard floors. White check mark emoji. LCD screen display. Real-time updates show power mode, filter maintenance reminders, and remaining runtime. White check mark emoji. Hygienic point and shoot bin emptying. No mess, no hassle. Just aim and empty, all without touching the dirt. House with garden emoji. Real-world performance. Whether you're tackling high-pile carpets, pet hair, hardwood floors, or ceiling cobwebs, the Dyson V11 Origin handles it all with ease. The suction is seriously powerful, and the battery life is more than enough for daily or weekly deep cleans. Plus, it easily transforms into a handheld vacuum, perfect for cars, stairs, or furniture. Battery emoji. Who should get this? The Dyson V11 Origin is ideal for homeowners wanting deep cleaning without cords, families with pets or allergy concerns, people tired of noisy, bulky vacuums, apartment dwellers needing versatile, space-saving gear, anyone looking for power, efficiency, and Dyson-level engineering. Star emoji. Final rating, 5/5 pros. Black check mark emoji. Powerful suction with intelligent floor detection. Black check mark emoji. Long battery life. Black check mark emoji. Lightweight and ergonomic. Black check mark emoji. Excellent filtration. Black check mark emoji. LCD display with helpful info. Black check mark emoji. Converts to handheld easily. Cons. Multiplication sign emoji. Premium price point. Multiplication sign emoji. Doesn't include extra tools, like the animal or absolute models. Final verdict. The Dyson V11 Origin is a cleaning powerhouse. It combines smart features, unmatched suction, and convenience into a sleek cordless design. If you're ready to ditch the cord and upgrade your cleaning routine, this is an easy yes. Shopping cart emoji. Ready to grab yours. Right pointing finger emoji. Click the link below to get the Dyson V11 Origin cordless vacuum at today's lowest price. Stock runs out fast, especially with this kind of performance and reliability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.